Oh, this is not cutting the tree but challenging the tree. If the tree had eyes, it would look back at me with suspicion. This is truly a unique way of cutting the tree.
Like bite him, that's going to throw him off.
Chopping down trees is no game. One wrong move can make everything messy in an instant. It is better to leave the tree still than to anger it. Truck and tree, the ending is anyone's guess. The tree not only stood firm but also sent a message to the truck: this challenge is not for you. Is this how you solve the problem of a tree that won't go away? If the tree won't budge, you have to call in the school's warriors. If the tree finds out, it will probably run away. When you don't have professional tools, but have a huge truck, nothing is impossible, just need enough creativity and a little bit of recklessness.
Oh my god.
This tree must have learned to be free and easy and forgot to follow the laws of physics. Maybe the tree is trying something new.
Oh my god.
This guy must have been so enthusiastic while cutting the tree that the tree had to fight back. He must now be not only a carpenter, but also a flying artist. Dismantling the ash tree was like playing a puzzle. I thought the tree would fall into pieces, but it turned out to be a skillful show of carpenters. Pruning trees is like doing an adventure game. After watching, I can only breathe a sigh of relief. If the tree doesn't revenge, then fine, otherwise I'll have to call for help. This Jeep pickup must think it's pulling a battleship. But that tree stump isn't so easy to pull. After seeing it, even the Jeep has to look up at the tree.
Here it comes.
This palm tree probably wants to try being a holy object too. Not everyone has the chance to accidentally move a church. This is why safety gear is always your best friend when you decide to fly from a height of 10 feet. Luckily, there were no serious injuries. They decided to change the style of the fort in an unimaginable way. Cutting down a tree is no joke. It took a whole pulley system to subdue this little tree. But the tree still refused to leave. It must be thinking, what are you going to do to me? What am I going to do to you?
Keep going, see if you can pull it out.
While doing a news story about chainsaws, the chainsaw suddenly went haywire. Not only was the news cut, but the host was also stunned. The moment the tree splits in two, it is truly a shock. It is the nightmare of every lumberjack, because a small mistake can turn all the effort into wood chips. What a catastrophic collapse! Cutting down a tree that doesn't cooperate like this means all your efforts have been wasted, leaving only a pile of wood and disappointment. This guy must have thought he was pulling a truck instead of a tree. Using the spare tire to pull the tree must have admired his creativity. This tree must be looking for a new home. But this kind of moving house is a bit too much. The tree suddenly decided to show off and fell down in the middle of the road. It must be trying to be a traffic cop without a license. Everyone, pay attention, this tree is leading the way. Sitting on a tree trunk while cutting it down, it can only be said that he is challenging his luck. He learned another lesson for life. Even if you are a seasoned lumberjack, cutting down a tree is still quite a challenge. The tree fell on the small house. This tree must have thought it was participating in the game, Attack the Base. But really, this ending is something no one wants to see. Hopefully the house has tree insurance. Cutting down trees may seem easy, but once you try it, not everyone is brave enough. This job requires high concentration and safety must always come first. The man holding a chainsaw perched on top of a tall tree made everyone who witnessed it gasp, especially the moment he finished cutting down the tree. Luckily he got out in time, otherwise it would have been a disaster. Safety should always come first. Here's why you shouldn't cut your tree on Friday the 13th. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to get all our latest updates. Thanks for watching and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos.
Hello, today we will explore the world of the lucky god. Their story reminds us of the importance of being careful in our work. Good luck, and let's get started. Two professional tree cutters made a small mistake, and the tree did not fall into the vacant lot as predicted, but instead strayed onto the roof of the house. Wow, this is a perfect example of how nature always knows how to surprise you. Never underestimate the towering giants. They can make you fall over at any time. When you order a tree removal service and the tree decides to not cooperate, what a memorable failure. On the beautiful white snow, even the experts could not foresee the unexpected twists. It's like watching an action comedy. The chainsaw seems to be good, but then encounters a runaway saw scene. Never underestimate a fallen tree. This is why tree cutting comes with a high tuition fee. It's like watching a super dramatic action scene. Can you see a 20,000-pound tree falling from a crane? The thrill. Surely after this incident, the homeowner must find a new tree cutting company, and surely they will also check the contract carefully. That made my heart stop for a second. Luckily, everything was fine. Amazingly, he walked away unharmed. Oh, maybe he was too idolized and wanted to be Spider-Man. Feels like I'm in a battle between man and tree. This tree must have a magical power that no one can resist. Perfect. He must be a veteran worker. He tried to save the chainsaw, but the tree said, "No, it's mine." Uh-oh, he might be the chosen one. Look at him, he's like Spider-Man. Oh, I can't believe things didn't go as planned, but at least no one got hurt. That's what matters most. Seeing this guy climbing a tree is like watching an action movie, except the ending is a little painful. It was clear that he was no match for this tree. Cutting down trees is like playing a game of unforeseeable. The tree cutting plan seemed perfect, but in the end it went wrong. Give me a lever long enough and a place to put it, and I will move the world. Give me a lever long enough and a place to put it, and I will move the world. I thought the tree would easily go away, but unexpectedly, this tree seemed to want to test the tractor's strength. This birch tree must have been surprised when it met this duo. Without hesitation, it fell down immediately. Surely the sound of falling trees must also be an addictive song for those who love the sounds of nature. Holding a large tree stump with a small tractor? Quite a challenge indeed. But with the right power and technique, anything is possible. This tree has definitely decided to retire early. It suddenly fell out of work, probably looking for a less stressful job. I thought he was trying to be a nail. These trees are extremely dangerously tilted. Cutting a tree with this tilt, it definitely feels like playing a game of survival challenge. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to get all our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos. Hello, today we will explore the world of the lucky god. Their story reminds us of the importance of being careful in our work. Good luck, and let's get started. Wow, this tree must be a distant relative of the sea god Poseidon. Just one cut created a tsunami that swept the man away.
Mark, pull! He needs to put more tension on it, it'll come over. Holy shit! God.
Oh no, the branch fell on my head, and I didn't have time to say anything. Probably wondering, am I cutting down the tree, or is the tree teaching me a lesson about work safety? This is definitely a free fireworks display that no one wants to see too close. Before falling, the tree had time to leave its mark. This slap was officially recorded in the Sawyer's painful history.
That's awesome!
This tree not only fell, but also rolled around a few times before going to bathe in the lake. This is truly a precious wood. Even when it falls, it must be very majestic. Uh-oh, the tree must be thinking, falling is a small matter, but you have to choose a classy place to stop. Oh my God, the tree refused to give in when he sawed it down, giving him a punch that made him slide down the ladder like in an action movie. Not only did the branch almost break, but he also broke his body.
Oh my God.
The tree made a landing as if to prove the law of gravity was real, but the result was a fallen sign, a dancing electric wire, and a heart-stopping scene in the whole neighborhood. A good friendship is about standing strong together, but this friendship is a bit strange. I think I'll have to reconsider the concept of good friend after this.
Oh, it's moving! It's going to
Oh no, the tree chose the roof as its landing spot, but no one expected that this landing would cause the homeowner to lose a month's salary. It's true that when the tree falls, the money also falls with it. What a crazy idea. Sawing off the branch he was sitting on, then landing dramatically on a pile of crates. This guy turned it into a stunt. The tree's fall not only shook the garden, but also sealed a roof repair project for the homeowner. Wow, lying horizontally on the roof, the tree seems to say, I am an architect. Help you make a new roof.
Oops.
The loud bang sound made the homeowner startled. I wonder how much damage is done. Uh-oh, the guy must have thought he was Superman. Unexpectedly, the tree fell, and he also fell freely. This lesson will surely be remembered for life. Landing without permission, the roof became the unwilling victim of this sudden fall.
Yes!
The battle between the tree and the car ended unexpectedly. The car's windshield was painfully gone. Wow, what a great move! The worker jumped to the ground safely, leaving the fallen tree behind. Looking at this scene, I thought I was watching a Hollywood action movie.
Here comes the car. Look.
Oh my God! The tree not only fell, but also left a mark of impact that made the worker hug the ground in pain. Oh no, the worker probably didn't think the branch would choose the pool as a landing spot. Hopefully he'll clean it up quickly. Who would have thought that the tree-pulling battle would turn into a tree stump show? The car was lifted up like a toy, and the car owner could only sigh. Falling straight onto the roof, the tree turned a peaceful place into an unwilling renovation project. Uh-oh, the rope broke, the tree didn't budge, and the guy rolled around like a ball. Next time, they will definitely choose a stronger rope, not their tire midway kind. Wow, the guy was working hard when the tree branch gave him a love bite. He fell backwards and could only hold his painful back.
Comes. Here it comes. Ooh.
The innocent chair suddenly became a victim when the tree fell on it. Looking at the devastation, the homeowner could only mumble, "The chair broke and my heart broke too." Oh my God, everything was literally shattered. The tree fall turned the house into rubble. The battle between the stubborn tree and the confident car had an unexpected ending. The car's windshield was heroically sacrificed. This battle not only lost the windshield, but also lost a month's salary.
Please use float the other way.
The tree landed in the swimming pool with a loud boom sound. Looking at the water overflowing the bank, the homeowner just sighed, "What a swimming pool that has now become a disaster pool." If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to get all our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos.